Come on. Come on, Isis. Coda, come here. Stay. Come here. Let's take your thing off. I know you're going to want to go in the water. Stop. Stop. Stay. Alright. Come on, Isis. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Oh my god. This little, how old is he?
6 months.
Oh my god, it's really adorable.
She's never been in the water before. This is her first time.
Oh my god. Really so small.
I'm so sorry. I hope we didn't scare you. Yeah, she loves sticks.
She's a gentle leader.
She has never been in the water before.
Oh my god, she's so small.
Woo!
What kind of dog is she?
She's a German Shepherd. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. Your stuff is getting all wet. Oh geez, just push her away.
She's literally adorable.
Oh my god, she's so small. Hey puppy.
I'm so sorry she's getting you all wet.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Oh my god, she loves it.
Oh my gosh, she's a little baby.
Oh, crazy dog. You crazy dog.
Oh my gosh, she loves it.
Woo! Her name's Isis. You like the water, huh? You can go back in? I don't even know if she knows how to swim. Uh-oh.
I'm sure she'll be a good swimmer.
She's learning. Oh my god, she's adorable.
What kind of dog is the older one?
He's like part chow, part lab. He's 14.
Oh wow.
Yeah.